Hello.
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 Come to my house. Hello.
Hello. Hi, Molly.
The adventure channel. Pretty sweet. Hello.
Hello, peekaboo. Go in your house. Where did Molly go? Where is she? I can't see her. Peekaboo. What a good daddy and grandpa setting up your tent. Nice tent from Kate.
Kate plus 8. Is this your house now? You guys have to get sleeping bags out.
Yeah. Wow, she's excited.
Super happy face. You should move it more this way so I put this down.
Ooh, she's gonna tip it over.
Yeah, the tunnel I think is going to be the ball. I got you.
She's like a hamster.
Oh, I'm so happy. It's ridiculous.
She knew what to do already.
Look who's at the other end.
Oh, Molly. Peekaboo! Ooh! Change diaper? Do we need to go change your diaper? Or do you want to sit on the potty?
Hey! Hey!
Oh, she tries to stand up in it.
It's going to be hard to beat this at Christmas time.
This thing's pretty awesome.
This is her early present from Kate.
Yeah, I know, like for me, it's just get both on 10. With one of these things, this is the coolest part. Hang out in your room. Giant tube.
There she goes.
Hey!
Are you going to dance? Are you going to dance? What's Kitty doing? Oh. Dance, Molly. Dance, Molly. Dance, Molly.
Woohoo!
Dance, Molly. Twirling, girl. Oh my gosh.
Can't do it.
He's freaking out.
His tail is huge when I saw him.